5-star copies all. Go ahead. Message to observer. Alpha 3 rounds. AT delay in effect. 3 guns. Bravo 2 rounds. 2 guns. Smoke on effect.
Good morning, crew. It is May 20th, 2021, Thursday morning, and this is Options Millionaire, your host. Thank you for being here. Take your time out of your day to watch this video. If you're new, like this video, subscribe to the channel. Got a lot of cool stuff coming out. Got a lot of cool stuff coming out in May and June that has to do with education, so be on the lookout for that. Anyway, we're going to dig right in here, and yeah, futures are down about anywhere from quarter to 0.4%. I think there's still some fears going on here that the bond purchases are going to start tapering. Inflation is going to start increasing. And then, of course, we've got the jobs data looking to come out today. I think they're expecting 450,000, which is, I guess the main concern is like a worker shortage. So we'll be on the lookout for that data today and proceed forward and see how that'll affect the market. Right now, across the board, it's a mixed bag. Amazon's down 0.06, Facebook negative 1.4, Google 2.3. Tesla's actually up 1.34. Netflix is up 0.1. The TNX is down 0.012%. Bonds are up 0.12%, and the VIX is up almost 1%. So we'll be watching here. That VIX going up a little bit, spiking. It will have me keeping an eye on a lot of different things just to make sure that doesn't bring some volatility into play and dip the price a little bit. Either way, we're going to be taking a look right at the open and playing our strategy and then forming our ranges and figure out where the pivots are going to be. So we'll get into the charts here. This is the 1-year chart on the SPY. I drew the weekly range numbers to kind of see how everything falls within the week. Right here, that was before that big dip on Monday, and then of course after the big dip a few days ago, and then we've rebounded right here in the middle of the range. You can see on the volume profile here, we've got a lot of volume resistance here at the 411-ish level, 411.50. So I'll be looking to, if we do pop that, that'll be a bit of a move. I'll be looking definitely to go long if we pop above that. So, but we'll see going into the day. I want to see where the momentum takes us and where the price action takes us. Let's switch over to the 3-month chart. So the 3-month chart's pretty much showing the same thing here. It's got that little bit of 410, and then it shows the bigger volume on a short term because it's a little shorter time frame here at the 414 level, which is where we hung out a bunch a few days ago and drew all that volume and a couple of days before that. So if we pop up there, that's going to be a big move. I would love to get up there if this turns into a bullish day or if the economic data turns out to be better than expected. And we start climbing, I'll be looking for that resistance point there. The squeeze momentum is turning bullish. Definitely trending towards green. Their EMAs are currently separated to the downside, which is just a bearish sentiment, but that could change. That could reverse if we have a lot of strong upward momentum. And let's go to the 1 month. And that'll extrapolate the volume profile a little bit more because it's a shorter time frame. EMAs are much squinched in together, so it definitely wants to find a direction. I believe that we're going to go up. That's just my gut feeling is that we're going to increase in the day. However, that's news. That's notwithstanding of news. So if the data comes out and it's bad, or for some reason a hit piece comes out today, obviously we could take it down. But with inflation fears abound, you have to play. You basically have to put a lot of weight on risk management because at any point something can pop up that could tank the market. This is a very fragile market. Even the slightest little grain of sand, it's like a grain of sand in a giant machine of wheels and cogs. One little grain of sand can bring the whole thing crashing down. So we definitely have to be cognizant of the surroundings and play with risk management. Going to the 1-day chart here, let's go over to the 15-minute. 15-minute, you can see these huge and crazy candles jumping up and down, the red, green, and then the big green in the close. And we're currently sitting at 410.11 right here. And SPY is down just a shade right now, not much at all. So we'll be taking a look to see how that thing goes. Switching over to the 5-minute here. And it's pretty much all the same thing, just extrapolate it out here. All the EMAs are squinched in. Not too much price action in the extended hours time frame here. So nothing crazy. We could easily have another chop day, which is, pretty much becoming the standard the past 3 days. I definitely could expect some sort of chop. That wouldn't be too surprising here. So if we do get some action, then we will see where things take us. Anyway, that's pretty much all I got. Not too much going on other than the job economics data. And we'll be looking to see if we can start puncturing the top of the weekly ranges, which would be a bit of a climb. But nonetheless, we will keep an eye on things and play smart. So that's the name of the game. Anyway, that's all I got. I am Options Millionaire. It is 6:30 Central Time, 7:30 Eastern Time. So we got about 2 hours till the market opens. I want y'all to play smart, play your entries, and don't FOMO. There's a lot of opportunities to FOMO yesterday, and I hope you stayed put. So it's much easier. Yeah, sure, you missed out on some games, but it's much easier to just wait till that stuff breaks out and then buy the actual overall trend or short the actual overall trend. So just play smart, no more FOMO, and let's make some money together. Thanks for being here. If you're new to the channel, please go over and join the Discord. You could shoot me a message anytime, a DM anytime, and also post in any of the applicable chat rooms. You can hit me up on Instagram if you want, options.millionaire. And of course, like and subscribe to this channel because I got a lot of cool stuff rolling out. And share these videos with your other friends and family. That's the way we're going to grow, and you can teach people how to make money properly. No more YOLOing, no more gambling, no more hoping for 90% gains every day. Just grind out nice 5, 10, 15% gains every single day for the rest of your life. So you can learn how to do this for the long term, and that's what matters. Anyway, I'm Options Millionaire. I'm out of here. I appreciate y'all. Let's make some money together. See ya.